All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. You guys are looking at the title and probably have a smile on your face, especially to the people in the Cardano community. Let's waste no more time and discuss ADA. So, it has officially done it. Let's take a breather. Let's take 2 seconds out of our time to actually think about what Cardano has done. Cardano has officially broken out. And your boy, Crypto ZX channel, well, not Crypto ZX channel, I mean Crypto ZX, was giving you guys continuous heads up that, patience. Guys, patience. There were a lot of people at the resistance at that 40 cents mark. A lot of people were hesitant that, hey, you know what, this is a stable coin. But we have officially broken out, and we will get into why this was so significant. If we're looking at the entire markets right now in front of us, you can see ADA is up as the top gainer, up 24% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame, Cardano is up 52.7%. So once again, momentum is switching. And again, this is to be expected. We continuously had a reminder that, hey, the entire market is pumping, and I continuously told you guys, patience is super important in this space. You see the likes of other coins pumping up before certain coins, but that does not mean your coin is not worth it. If as long as you've done your due diligence and research, and if you actually look at the fundamentals and you actually believe in it, then you need to have patience. You cannot have FOMO seeing other coins pumping. That way you will get burnt out. You never want to be chasing green candles. Never. Learn from me. I've done that in the past, and let me tell you, I lost thousands of dollars, in potential gains. But let's take a look at Cardano and see what is happening now and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. So looking at the price, is currently sitting at 59 cents, up 25% over the past 24 hours in USD and Bitcoin comparative. Market cap currently sitting at $20.5 billion. And look at the 24-hour trading volume, $2.1 billion. Not a 200 million. And if you guys been watching my channel over the past few weeks, we were stuck at $200 million trading volume, and that has changed. We're sitting at 2.1 billion, and all of a sudden the people that were talking negative, the people that were hating on Cardano, all of a sudden are the biggest moonbook boys for ADA, which is really funny to me, to say the least. And again, this is something we projected, right? I was continuously saying, we will see the likes of these haters coming and loving Cardano once the price breaks out, and that's exactly what's happening. And all these influencers, I'm not going to name any one of them, but some of these weren't even covering ADA, and all of a sudden, as soon as ADA pops off, boom, coverage starts, which is really funny to me. But I want to say first and foremost, just thank you to each and every one of you guys, for coming in the comments in the previous update saying, Crypto ZX, you were spot on. And again, I'm not going to be right all the time. These are daily analysis, but sometimes the chart speaks to you. It just speaks to you. And if you know basic technical analysis, Cardano chart was literally screaming for a breakout, and we officially saw that happen. Of course, the entire market momentum, did help have this massive push, but, breaking out of that resistance brought in FOMO. And that's what I continuously said. And, that's what happened. And, you're seeing the likes of Cardano ecosystem also breaking out. We've seen Sneak, which is a meme coin that's based on Solana, up 50% on the daily time frame. And a lot of other Solana, why am I saying Solana? Apologize. Really apologize. I mean Cardano. You guys know we cover Solana and Cardano, and I'll always mix it up. Shout out to Michael. He knows exactly what I mean. But, we're talking about ADA. ADA's ecosystem is going to gain more traction moving forward because, of course, we have seen, a breakout, which is going to attract more investors, as well as more eyes are on ADA now. So let's take a look at the price now, see what is happening, what are some next targets that we could be aiming for. So before I do get into this, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you cannot make this up. You cannot make this up. as we're recording this update, and even earlier today, we did see the price reach exactly at that resistance I spoke about, which is where we're at right now, 59.1 cents, so roughly 60 cents mark. And I said this is that next target that I will be aiming for the price of Cardano, especially once we break out into a new yearly high. And as soon as that happened, you guys can see this for yourself. The price of Cardano literally went exactly to this spot, and we did see a retracement earlier this morning, but we're seeing the market once again picking up, which is causing ADA to be sitting exactly at that resistance. And again, this resistance is coming into our way. It's like a hurdle, a roadblock in front of it, and this is why these resistances are extremely important. So far we were extremely spot on about this resistance, and if this is able to break out, we are seeing ADA heading into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which would mark the end of the consolidation phase for Cardano. The bear market zone comes to an end once the price goes into this blue zone. In my opinion, the 78.6 is still the safe, pretty much last resort. But once the price does get back into this zone, we are out of this bear market consolidation phase. So in order for us to retest that resistance, that's still a move of about 17% from the current price levels. And I think that is coming in the next few days ahead of us. And, if Bitcoin sees a push earlier in the morning, we do see Bitcoin breaking out possibly to 45K. As you guys know, we're in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation. So if that were to happen, we could see ADA pushing. But remember what I was saying. If you guys have been watching my channel over the course of the last 2 to 3 weeks, I was saying the setup is reminding me of Solana. I continuously said, this setup of ADA is reminding me of Solana, and that's exactly what we did see happen after we broke out of this resistance. You can see this for yourself. The price of ADA went up 51%. Sit back and really put this into perspective. If you bought ADA, so let's say pretty much throughout the bear market, you did see this continuous retest, rejection at this resistance. And let's say this time around, you decided to dollar cost average and picked up some ADA at 40 cents. You saw a 50% increase in a matter of a single day. And this is what I was telling each and every one of you guys from the beginning. I said we're going to see a Solana type run after we break out of this resistance, especially once we break out into a new yearly high. And I'm not surprised as to what has happened. And I know a lot of people are praising me right now in the comments. And again, I don't like praise. I'm going to be quite frank with you guys. Again, this is basic technical analysis. And like I said, it was right in front of my eyes. And, it happened. It happened. I'm proud of myself. I'm not going to lie. I'm proud of myself. And I really am proud to kind of, make all these haters go quiet mode. That's what I'm most proud of. I'm not proud of calling, this massive breakout happening, this and that. I'm proud of myself because I made these haters, the amount of haters there were is absolutely mind-boggling, guys. You guys would not realize as to how many hate comments I was receiving over the past 2 to 3 weeks, even the past 2 months. What am I saying? And people were saying, oh, ADA is not going anywhere. It's a stable coin. It's dead, this and that. But, we're seeing a shift in, the overall momentum, like flip the switch. So that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know down below what you guys think. Like I said, the 78.6 is now the next target. I like where we're currently sitting at. And if Bitcoin is able to push towards the upside, I am expecting that ADA will touch the 78.6 and end the bear market cycle. But let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know which coins on Cardano's ecosystem you guys are excited about, or some NFTs. I want to know from you guys regarding that. And also smash that like button. Let me know if you guys want to see more continuous Cardano updates. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.